Hey guys, welcome back to another HONA tutorial. Today we are going over HONA's brand new Peely Base, the one you've been waiting for, so stay tuned on how to use it. Just like our gel system, Peely Base is completely hypoallergenic, latex free and made by Jim in the USA using fully cosmetic grade ingredients. So jumping straight into the tutorial, I'm starting off with a builder gel enhancement. You can paint this over natural nails, over swift tips, any kind of enhancement, but I'm going over pure build. I'm starting off with a layer about the same consistency as I would complete base, painting this all over the nail, including the free edge. It's really important to cap the free edge and cover any sides, so when we do paint our design over the top of it, it's going to be much easier to peel off. Once you've finished your application, it will look like this. It's wet and it just needs to air dry for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice when it's dry that it changes to almost a matte sheen rather than a shiny sheen, and that's how I know it's ready to go. Once you're ready to go in with your design, just follow your gel application steps as you would normally. So start off with your base coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and then go in with your design or your gel colour or whatever it might be. This is a fantastic product for people who can't always have their nails done. It's also really great for content creators who don't want to be consistently filing or risking damage to their natural nails. Once you're done, you literally just have to peel it off and it's as easy as that. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and we will see you in the next one. Bye!